Shorty bad, slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the mix. Shorty bad, slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix.
This week has been very weird. It is May 31st. Rep this set. And on May 28th, I decided to move out of my current studio. Now I'm going to give you guys a couple reasons why I wanted to move out of my studio. This was a studio that I had got with a business partner prior, and basically it was bad business between us two. That does happen, you know, whatever. But she basically had picked out the studio, whatever. We didn't really look around. I didn't really know anything at the time. I just went in and I just put my name on the lease. So my name was the only person on the lease. But over time, I started to see, and it was still fully mine. It was always fully mine. But I started to see some flaws that we didn't see when we, you know, looked at it. So my studio is super huge and it's super nice. But the building has its flaws. Like the bathroom was really messed up, but they fixed the bathroom. And then I had fixed the studio up to my liking. And after that, you know, it's getting hot, and out of nowhere, my studio does not have windows and it does not have central air. So it got really hot, and I told my building managers, and basically they said it's nothing they can do. Well, they were trying to do like construction, and it got really hot to the point where I don't even want to be at work this week. So on the 28th, I decided to, since there's no solution for me, I decided to just get rid of the studio. I did want to keep it in. Okay guys, so I didn't feel like recording this on my camera, so I'm gonna record it right on my phone. And so when you walk in, we just have some sayings: stay humble and be kind, because I totally believe in it, and it's just really cute. We have a pair of eyes, and we have our couch and this nice carpet sitting area. Now guys, be mindful that my studio is in like a old Windows warehouse, so it gives warehouse vibes. So here is my sign. Here's just a table with, you know, some flowers and stuff. We also have a TV, and this is the makeup bar. I'm sorry guys, we are in the process of moving, so everything is kind of messy in here. But here we have the makeup bar, and this was custom made. I actually only got it custom made maybe 6 months ago. Everything is push drawers. This is real marble. And then we have these vintage mirrors with the Hollywood lights. So some makeup part, and that just says add color to the world. Shout out to Iman, our makeup artist. All right, this is just a door, it's not a closet. It actually goes out to the bathroom. Let me just be quiet because it goes out to the hallway. See, it looks like an old Windows warehouse, literally. All right, so I'm just gonna lock that up. And then we have a nice picture, and sometimes I just like to look at these pictures, have adventures, enjoy the little things, go for long walks, daydream, and y'all see the rest. Next, we have these very fraudulent windows. So this is what I mean when my studio does not have windows. It's just these fake windows, and yeah, we literally don't have windows because I'm in like a middle unit, which is I think I'm the only person in this building without windows. So that was one of the big reasons I had to leave. Right here, I have all my lash shampoos, Lizzie Lash, and my strip lashes. I'm gonna take all of this stuff down. My area is kind of messy. This is my work area, my last bed. It's very messy because I am in the process of moving, guys. Don't think that this is how it looks every day. And then here's just my lash cart with everything. I have a little closet. I really need to clean up. I have another fraudulent window right behind me, and just a picture that says I woke up like this. So this is like the setup though. Over here I have this Chanel thing, and then I have my privacy curtain, so I'm gonna go around and show you what's on this side. So it's just my privacy curtain, because we did have 4 beds in here at one time. We have 4 ladies working in here, so you know, here's Zaya's station. Both our stations are a mess because we're moving. She has her curtain for privacy as well, and then we have a nice little sitting area. Picture me. Our speaker hangs out back here, some wigs up here, and then we have our microwave. I'm so glad I got a microwave and a fridge, because you literally need one if you want to, you know, start eating healthy. Usually we stock up the fridge and stuff, but y'all will see that, you know, when we move or whatever. So this is how it looks. It looks a little bit crazy right now, but yeah, I hope y'all like my studio, and I'm about to tear this shit down. So hello guys, it's day 2. Today I'm gonna be at my old studio. We're gonna try to move a couple of beds to the studio down the street. It's just gonna be me and one of the girls that works in my studio. So we're gonna try to, I'm gonna give y'all a studio tour of my studio before, you know, everything kind of comes out. So let's go.
Up on them, you know that shit be graphic. You gotta pop out with that ratchet, you know this shit get trash.
Just pack the whole car up, no help. There's no room to sit in here. Now we gotta unpack it.